Trailing by 13. Ticas with the home court advantage here in the finals. They are now on the ropes here in game 2 as Bragais converting on that pull-up jumper. Bragais with 11 points. As we have Maliapre with the ball. Abonete to Ariate. Then on the shot clock. Abonete not looking. Ball recovered by Magpantay and we have a turnover. And we have a foul away from the ball. Maliapre pushing off Lancer Can. Nete with 4 fouls. Now Maliapre with 5. Bragais for 3. And Genmar Bragais now starting to heat up. Lead has been chopped down to 8. The crowd is alive here at the PSU. Abonete against Santos. Ticas wants a stop. Abonete post up. Abonete against Santos turns. Abonete the fadeaway shot. Air ball rebound. May Magpantay but he loses it. Here's Bragais. Bragais against Maliapre. He attacks. There's a foul. And there's going to be 2 free throws for Genmar Bragais. Bragais still on the floor. Taking time. Press. Matos still at the backcourt. Matos attacks, kicks it out. Maliapre, jumper is good and that's huge for Kamsur. And now on the run is Can. Blaze 3 for Lancer Can. And finally, Can is on the board. That's his first field goal. Matos to Maliapre. Wants a screen from Masinas. Maliapre to Matos. 10 on the shot clock. Matos wants a screen from Abonete. Crossover by Matos. Matos to the baseline. The running shot off the mark. And Ganya with the rebound. Gomez at left against Maliapre. Pass to Ganya. Manalang with the ball. On top. Thinking 3. Decides to pass to Gomez. 10 on the shot clock. Gomez. Mismatch here. They swing the ball. Santos for 3. No go. Abonete crashes down that rebound. Here's Maliapre to the base or to the goal. Wild shot. And now here's Manalang against Maliapre to Santos. Hand off to Can. Can takes this 3. Huge 3 for Lancer Can. And the lead is down to 2 for the Express as Lancer and Kamsur respond. Masinas. Matos with the ball against Gomez. Abonete looking to answer on top. Short on the 3. Long rebound. And Ganya lets the ball sail out. Gomez will inbound. They go to Bragais against Sablaon. Posting up. Bragais kicks it out. This is for the lead. And Victoria grabs the miss. Fresh 14 for Ticas. Victoria, he is blocked by Abonete. Magpantay. Under 6 minutes to play here in game 2. Kamsur looking to tie the series. Magpantay against Bragais. 9 on the shot clock. Magpantay still with the ball. Abonete with 5 on the shot clock. Sablaon sees an open lane. Drop pass. Abonete is fouled. They will shoot a pair. So, Renzo Victoria against Abonete. Abonete has 4 fouls. Victoria loses the ball. Ariate calling a fist play for Kamsur. Abonete against Victoria. Abonete handoff to Sablaon. 10 on the shot clock. Sablaon attacks Victoria. Wild shot. Abonete offensive rebound. Fresh 14. Sablaon. That 3 is short. And Ganya with the rebound. Ticas dodging a bullet. They are still down by 2. Ticas though, coming up empty. Here's Bragais for the lead. Air ball. Victoria offensive rebound. Victoria in trouble. And that's a turnover for Ticas. Ariate against Bragais to Habonete. To the lane. Oh, and a hard fall by Habonete. And they will review this one. Possible flagrant foul. Habonete is still down on the floor. Habonete took a hit on his drive to the basket. 2 free throws plus possession as we take a look at this drive by Habonete. And Gomez hits Habonete in the face as he tried, guarded by Bragais. Sablaon, handoff to Matos. 10 on the shot clock. Matos now being guarded by Santos. Magpantay for 3, it's short. There's a foul. And it's going to... But first, this is the NBL President's Cup Finals, Game 2 between Kamsur and Pampanga. We have the Express up by 7 points. Here's Manalang. Kana with the ball. On top. This is a long 3. And Lancer Khan, another 3 from way out. That's his second 3 of this quarter. 96-92. Kamsur with the lead. Habonete to Magpantay. 10 on the shot clock. Magpantay. He has 32 points. Ariate nearly losing the leather. Ariate against Khan. 3 on the shot clock. Ariate throws up a prayer. And that's a shot clock violation for Kamsur. A golden opportunity. Bragais crosses the timeline. Bragais at left against Habonete. Bragais fakes up and under. Pass to Manalang. Manalang with his drive. Kicks it out. Nico Santos from the outside. And it raised the three. That's his 4th free of the game. And it's only a 1-point game. Sablaon, the drive to the basket. Nice defense by Ganya. And here's Khan. A chance for the lead. Bragais with a place 3. And Kamsur has called for a timeout. Habonete against Santos. Habonete with 10 on the shot clock. Matos with the ball. Back to Habonete, 7 to shoot. Habonete, the hook shot is short. The follow-up still won't work. Long rebound, it goes to Sablaon. Fresh 14 for Kamsur. Matos with his drive, kicks it out. Masinas, short on the 3. Rebound by Ganya. Here's Jenmar Bragais with the ball. Escape Sablaon. Bragais now at the right corner. Pampanga on a 9-0 run. Manalang thinking 3. Khan for 3. It is short. Ganya tries to tip it in. And there's a foul. Habonete is down. Foul on Bragais. Masinas with the offensive rebound. And the follow-up. And Kamsur is now in front. Wow, all of a sudden Kamsur back with the lead. Manalang to Ganya. There's a foul. And Magpantay with a foul. Matos against Manalang. Matos still with the leather. Bounce pass to Masinas against Ganya. Thinking 3. Masinas still with the ball. Hand up to Sablaon. 5 on the shot clock. Sablaon attacks Ganya. And Ganya with the block. And that's off Sablaon. It's going to be Ticas ball. After this game, Kamsur looking to tie. Ganya sees an opening. He stops. And now here is Manalang against Matos. Kicks it out to Bragais. Bragais for the lead. It is short. Ariate with a rebound. Kamsur with a chance here to take the lead. Matos being bothered by Bragais. Look at that defense. Matos escapes. Ariate with the ball. 10 on the shot clock. Ariate passes it to Habonete. 7 to shoot. Habonete against Santos. Habonete shot is good! Jan Abonete gives Kamsur the lead. Under a minute to play. Tikas with a chance to respond. Braga is the drive to Ganya. Santos. Can. Ganya. Fakes. Pass to Manalang. 12 on the shot clock. Manalang throws up a prayer and he will shoot 2 free throws. Second free throw is good. We are tied once again. 1-1 all. Listen to the chance of defense. And Tikas is pressuring right now. Masinas. Double team at the corner. Wild pass to Masinas. Tiptoeing in front of the Kamsur bench. Almost a turnover for Kamsur. They go to Abonete again at the post against Victoria. 10 on the shot clock. Abonete against Victoria. Takes this jumper. It does not fall. But Ariate gets the rebound. Fresh 14. Matos for 3. No go. Loose ball. It's with Ariate. Ariate now being pressured. They go to Abonete. Only 14 seconds left on the game clock. We are tied at 101. 4-second differential between the clocks. Ariate against Bragais. And the ball is off Tikas. It's going to be Kamsur ball with only 7 seconds. He will inbound the ball. Ariate looking to trigger the ball in. They go to Sablaon. 2 on the shot clock. Sablaon pulls up. No go. Who gets the rebound? It's with Kamsur. 4 seconds remaining. Pagpantay. Sablaon. 2 seconds. Sablaon for the win! For the win! Sablaon nails the 3! And Kamsur looks like they have tied the series. Sablaon nailing the 3! Silencing the crowd, but let's check. The referees will check if that shot will count. Look at the slow-mo. And looks like he got off in time. And that will count. Sablaon, the hero of game 2. But I think the game is not yet over. There is still time remaining. 0.3 on the clock, they say. Bragais will inbound. Ganya for the tie. Does not fall. And Kamsur has tied the series at 1 apiece. Kamsur.
Step back and kiss myself. Big time plays make big time plays. Woo!